Hey guys, it's Jolene here from Home Stitchery Decor. In this 1 minute tutorial, let's talk about what you would do if you were absolutely brand new to Shopify. So you've just got your store connected to the web address, and now you're in the Shopify store and you want to know, oh my gosh, where do I go? So the first thing you want to do is click on Settings, which is in the bottom left-hand corner of this main screen. And this is where you're going to start walking through the details of your store. So the first details are your contact information, your legal business name. Your plan is going to be, how much you pay for your plan and what plan you want to use. So if you're paying for a higher end paid theme, you're going to pay for this here. And the billing is where you would put your own credit card in for where they're going to send your bill to. Users and permissions would be who you give access to your store. And your payments are going to be who you're accepting payments from, which payment providers. So just go through the list one by one and start filling out the details.